Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Forex trading. Today we will discuss about forex trading for a beginners. So, forex trading, what is forex and FX trading explain. Forex trading is a short form for a foreign exchange, often called FX, and focuses on the exchange of one currency for another. How you can become a forex trader and build FX mindset means you have to need a mindset first. Then you can become a FX trader. If you have that patience and consistency in your work and your strategy and your style of trading, then you can grow on this field. Learn how to become a consistent forex trader with advice from daily FX analysis. Means when you start trading, you will get a signals from different groups. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. You can get these signals to ensure that your trade is in a positive way. Next, three things I wish I knew when I started trading Forex. One trader entered FX to make lots of money but quickly learned the key to trading success. Next, orientation. Learn about the history of Forex, why to trade FX over stocks, and how to read currency pairs. For a complete introduction to Forex trading for a beginners. The history. The history of Forex. An introduction to Forex history, key points, key events, news, and development which have shaped the Forex market and FX trading landscape. Next, Forex market size, a trader's advantage. The FX market is the biggest and most traded worldwide. Read our guide to Forex market size, trading volume, and liquidity. Liquidity and how to take advantage. Forex versus stock stocks. Top difference and how to trade them. Learn the main difference between Forex and stocks. Understand the best market to trade based on your trading style and strategy. How to read currency pairs. Forex explain. All FX traders starting out should learn how to read Forex quotas. Our guide covers the basic of reading currency pairs and what a quote tells traders. How and when to buy or sell in a Forex trading. Forex trading centers around the basic of concept of buying and selling. Our guides explores how and when to buy and sell currencies using signals and analysis. Next point, 6 point is long versus short position in Forex trading. Learn the basic of Forex trading positions including how and when to go long or short on a currency pairs with the trading examples and charts. What is PIP? Using pip in forex trading. A pip in the unit of measure which defines changes in value between two currencies. Learn about pip in forex with our expert tips and FX pairs examples. Interest rates and the forex market. The FX market is greatly impacted by interest rates. Learn about the currency interest rate and how to trade the forex market when rates changes. And this is was all about forex trading. I hope you enjoyed my video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.